Namaste, I am Anand. Welcome to StudyMationn. Today, we will explore Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you push a wall, the wall pushes you back with equal force.
Rockets go up because exhaust pushes down. Action and equal opposite reaction.
Swimmers push water backward, the water pushes them forward. Walking works because your foot pushes back and the ground pushes you forward. Each side pulls with force. The ground's reaction decides who moves. A table pushes up on a book as gravity pulls down, equal and opposite. The floor reacts upward on the ball, making it bounce back. Rowing pushes water backward. The reaction moves the boat forward. When a device pushes a ball forward, it recoils backward equally. Action and reaction act on different objects with equal magnitude.
Action is the ground's push on you. Friction helps you move along the surface.
Thrusters push gas one way. The ship moves the other way equally. You push the ground down. The ground pushes you up with equal force.
Action and reaction are equal in size and opposite in direction.
They act on different objects. Your hand and the wall receive opposite forces. Walking, rowing, and skating all work by action and reaction.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to StudyMationn for more animated science lessons.